Gold went up more than $400 in very short period, and this is crazy. These fast move, more than $100 gain in one day. That is very dangerous, and this is not market for intraday scalper. Biggest problem, what is behind this vertical move? $400 price gain, money printing policy, which we all know, and secret word from Besant, from Treasury. He is ready to do buyback if necessary, and secret word from Powell, ready to do swap dollar policy if necessary. So this look like buy the rumors. Crash was happening in bond market, not equity. And if they fix their tariff war, so many tariff deal happening, and Trump confirmed they are talking with China. If trade deal come, because first tariff delays for 90 days, then tariff exemption for big company like Apple and Nvidia. So tariff is nothing but political drama. So watch carefully. Stock market immediately stop crashing on 90-day tariff delay news. If big trade deal news come, especially your China, because G7 country always their friend and they will always make good trade deal. But biggest one is China, or in simple word you can say BRICS country. If tariff war turn into nice trade deal in the second quarter, then crisis can over and bond market can stop crashing, and they do not need to do QE. So crisis looks like over. Policymaker confirmed they are ready with their money printing policy. From here, either gold must do sideways correction, clear trade deal come, then price can start is counter trend correction. Because last 1 year, you can compare all candlestick body size. These moves are very big, and this trade deal, these are non-calendar event. We don't know timing and date. It's all about Trump. When clear trade deal come, then panic can priced out. And from this price area, before we talk about support or any clear resistance, let's see wave counting one by one, starting on monthly chart. AVC wave C, 61% projection complete. Watch carefully number 3279. Not just monthly RSI, all time frame RSI, they are highly overbought. Now let's see this entire wave C top to bottom again on weekly time frame, which you can see like larger degree AVC wave. Your Biden term, bad policy, market goes up, then small correction, both price and timing both very small compared to previous price action. But I think till there, that were our AVC wave. Then correction, new impulsive wave start from here, which can be again WXY wave. Look like wave Y with 5 impulsive wave. The wave 1, 2, third impulsive wave, that was all out tariff. Fourth wave correction, panic, tariff market crash, and fifth final wave, policy maker panic on their tariff drama. So visually we have 5 impulsive wave, and monthly time frame we have resistance on this area. Then daily chart, the next level impulsive wave start from here, July last year, 5 impulsive wave, correction second wave, third wave subdivided into 5 impulsive wave, fourth wave correction, that was market panic, fifth impulsive wave, that is your policy maker panic. Because Fed doing QE, this is last final stage. After doing QE, Fed have no policy tool. This is like using maximum power from Fed. So watch carefully if nice trade deal come between China and USA, because they have more than 100% tariff on China, which is doing de-dollarization, dumping dollar, dumping US Treasury bond, and replacing everything with gold. And not just China, but many countries. So a buyer return in Treasury market once again, like old days before 2022, then crisis can stop without doing QE. Otherwise, Goldman Sachs, they have 4500 gold target around June 2026, and JP Morgan, they have same target. Previously they were saying 2027, but at $100 per day speed, target can come early according to JP Morgan Bank. But Goldman Sachs Bank looks crazy. They are highly bullish on gold, and their chief economist highly bearish on dollar. They are saying more fall in dollar from here. Since beginning of Trump's second term, dollar is constantly falling, or in simple way you can say stagflation panic, which is happening right now. So tariff turn into nice trade deal. Then indirectly you can say BRICS de-dollarization, that trade total opposite is happening. If no deal, that's mean dump dollar, buy gold, that will continue forever. So all wave counting I explained in detail from monthly to daily time frame. That last week high resistance can be near, below daily H4 time frame wave counting in Telegram. Big news on tariff trade deal. Hope it can come before Monday market open. COT and gold, there is big war happening. Let's see who win before new data come. Till then, play with ETF money flow. They're buying since this low. And all our MCX lover, last year there was small crash in spot gold, but there was big crash in MCX. So this high price, that is demand destruction, until big pullback come, buyers will stay on sideline. Old support are still same if market turn start, which depend on trade deal. Then in second quarter, I hope gold can easily retrace back to $3,000. If it can go $100 in one day, then going back to $3,000 at that speed, not a big thing. Old stagflation cycle, gold peaked before election, big crash, but election over and new Fed chain name come, wars have hawkish expectation, but gold still flying. But based on timing and correlation, gold is not following 70s stagflation chart, but it is flying same like old days. But 50 years later, so many things change. A Powell pivot on stagflation is coming, like May last year when he said no stagflation. 1 year later, he's saying his dual mandate intention, indirectly predicting recession. In upcoming speech, if you directly say stagflation risk, then I think that can be game over for gold. But before that, we need big correction in gold. But in 1 year, Powell has reached from no stagflation to stagflation. And we are in final fifth impulsive wave. Be careful.